Okay, in our previous video, we already demonstrate the amazing result from the OpenAI GPT model. As you can see, it will automatically generate the paragraph, even the coding for you. So in this short video, we briefly explain how the reinforcement learning, especially the PPO algorithm, is used by OpenAI to train this GPT model. So if you go to Google, you search OpenAI GPT and the reinforcement learning, you can see this link, ChatGPT optimizing language models for dialogue. If you click it, then you will see, okay, the OpenAI provide a picture explaining how they train this. So first, they collect the huge amount of demonstration data and train the policy using supervised learning. The policy in reinforcement learning means the probability we use to sample the action from a given state. In this language generation model, the input state is the current, the word we have, and the action is the next word we want to generate. And this probability is used to generate the word following our current state. And after we generate this, then we collect the comparison data, because here we have the result from AI model, and then we have the result from human, then we have comparison data, and then we train the reward model for reinforcement learning. The reward model in reinforcement learning is because in supervised learning, we already have training data. We have X and Y, and then we define either the mean square error or the cross entropy as the loss function to train the neural network with. But in reinforcement learning, we let the neural network interact with the environment. So we don't have the true answer. So how can we evaluate whether this policy is good or not? Then based on every step, we collect a reward. So they use this comparison data to generate this reward model for reinforcement learning. So after we have this reward model, we use PPO to optimize the neural network. So the ideal, okay, basically we let the neural network interact with the environment and then collect large amount of trajectories, and at each step, okay, we have a reward. Then we can accumulate this reward and times the probability of sampling this, okay, and then we can calculate the expected value because we have the total reward and we have the probability to generate the trajectory. And the ideal is we want to calculate the gradient of this expected reward. So the PPO, and then we use the PPO equation to optimize this next. Okay, so the idea is we let the neural network interact with the environment, calculate the expected value, and then we use the PPO equation to optimize to get the next neural network. And then we keep going. So the neural network, the reward reinforce the neural network to learn, to become stronger and stronger. So that's the basic idea of reinforcement learning and the PPO algorithm used by OpenAI to train their GPT model. If you are interested in more details of this reinforcement learning and the PPO, I really encourage you to go to the OpenAI website, especially if you search for spinning up in deep reinforcement learning. Actually, we are using this material in our reinforcement learning course. Okay, thank you.